Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download code files from Base44. Now once you're logged into your Base44 account, I want you to just go ahead and scroll down. And then here under recent apps, you'll see Biz Tracker, right? Or any other app that you have, you want to, go ahead and download the code files for. Now once your app is open here, what I want you to do is you come here at the top right, you'll see this icon. This one right here. You click on this, and then you'll see all the files that are used in this page. You can see all the files and export each one, right? Each code right here you can copy and paste it as well on like a notepad, or you can click here again and just export the project to either GitHub, okay, or you can export as zip. So you click here, export as zip. For this, you'll need these plans, at least builder pro, elite, or enterprise plans. So you need at least these pro plans, or you can even export to GitHub and get it from there as well, right? You just connect your account to GitHub. For this, you'll need an upgraded plan as well. But it's otherwise really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.